Hello everyone, my name is Mike. I'm here with another daily update about the crypto market, and I'm going to share with you what I see on the Bitcoin and Ethereum chart. Stay with me, let's check it out. Hello everyone and welcome back to another episode. Today I'm going to start with Bitcoin dominance on the weekly time frame. Sorry if my voice is changes. Actually, I got a little bit hay fever in here at the moment. I'm going to show you what I'm seeing on the Bitcoin and Ethereum chart and even the Bitcoin dominance. As you can see, on the Bitcoin dominance weekly time frame, we are reaching to a really crucial support for Bitcoin dominance on the weekly time frame. That's the point area. I'm expecting Bitcoin dominance to start to moving back to the upside in the next few days or weeks. If I go on the daily time frame, as you can see, Bitcoin dominance is still making reaction to this crucial support area we have got in here. We are trying to not break the below of this crucial support at the moment. As you can see, we have got a shadow to the upside on the Bitcoin dominance on the daily time frame. Anytime soon, I think Bitcoin dominance is start moving back to the upside. And now if I go and show you the Bitcoin chart I have got in here, what do we see in here? Bitcoin is still making a higher high and higher low, and Bitcoin is still on the uptrend. And we have got a correction here. We cannot say it's not a correction, but even till Bitcoin is actually on the daily time frame is above the $60,000 area, is still so bullish for me, because if you can see in the past, the $60,000 area in this zone, and even in this zone, and even in here, we had a really difficulty to break that one to the upside. But now with a very big daily candle, Bitcoin broke above the $60,000 area. It was a crucial resistance for us. Now the $60,000 area might work as a really nice support, and after that Bitcoin make a move back to the upside. Till Bitcoin is still above the $60,000 area, there is nothing changed for me. I'm still so bullish on Bitcoin. If I show you the RSI I have got in here as well, what do we see on the RSI on Bitcoin? As you can see on the chart, what do we have in here? RSI is still making a bearish divergence, but it's not that powerful. As you can see, this one we have made RSI made actually a lower high, but we had the higher low on the Bitcoin price, and this time as well RSI is making the lower high, and Bitcoin is making higher high, and the price of Bitcoin is still rising to the upside. But that bearish RSI divergence is not that powerful. It just make a correction. As you can see, after this one is making correction to the downside, is making correction to the downside, and is making correction to the downside. But what do we see in here? The white line we have got in here is still working really nice as a support for Bitcoin, and even the 20 daily moving average is at about the $60,000 area. And this white line, as you can see, let me just bold this one for you. As you can see, this support line we have got in here working really nice for Bitcoin, and the 20 moving average daily time frame is working nice as a support for Bitcoin as well. Till Bitcoin is still above the $60,000 area, I'm not afraid actually to Bitcoin make a really dump to the downside. Till this support line is holding the price of Bitcoin, and the 20 moving average daily moving average is holding the price of Bitcoin, and this support area, this support line I have got with a yellow color in here as well, at the $60,000 area, holding the price of Bitcoin. I'm still bullish on Bitcoin. I'm expecting Bitcoin to make a huge run to the upside to about $80,000 in the next few days or weeks. I'm going to show you the Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. What do I see actually at the moment on Bitcoin on 4-hour time frame? Let me just change the time frame in here. Yeah, what do we see in here? Actually, the previous month's high was about a 61,000 and something, and now Bitcoin is going back to test this area, and even Bitcoin is falling to this area on the daily time frame. I'm not expecting Bitcoin on the daily time frame to stay about this area. I'm expecting on the daily time frame Bitcoin to go back to the upside. This zone area I have got in here which is about the $60,700 area and $61,400 area for Bitcoin is really important for me, for Bitcoin to stay above this area on the daily time frame. And the other thing we can see in here, Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame is playing inside this falling channel at the moment, and maybe we are going to make a bounce to the upside in the next few days. On the daily time frame, as I told you, this zone area, I'm expecting Bitcoin to stay above this area. But the bad thing is, at the moment, I'm not actually happy with that one. As you can see, this trend line on the 4-hour time frame, it got broken, and I'm not happy with that one because that was like a rising wedge. As you can see in here, Bitcoin was playing inside that one, broke to the upside, now it's breaking to the downside again. But it looks like this correction as a ABC correction, and it's going to be finished. And after that, if we go on the what do you call that, Elliott waves, if I go with the Elliott wave as a ABC, as you can see, that might be a ABC correction, and after that I'm expecting another wave to the upside, which is going to about the like a 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 to about the $80,000 for Bitcoin. And at the moment, this it looks like this trend line got broken on the 4-hour time frame, but I think the ABC correction is going to be ended by today and maybe by tomorrow, and after that we are going to see a bounce back to the upside for Bitcoin. But this zone area, which is about the $60,700 on the daily time frame, I'm not expecting Bitcoin to break below this one on the daily time frame. If I show you the other chart I have got in here on the daily time frame, what do we see in here? Bitcoin is going back below the zone area we have got in here. This zone is going to be around the 61,150 on the daily time frame. Bitcoin should go back to the upside by the end of today. If Bitcoin not going back to the upside, the next support area we have got is going to be around the $60,000 for Bitcoin. Let me just check it out. What do we have in here to show you? According to this one we have got in here, as I told you, Bitcoin is still playing inside this rising channel as well. And if Bitcoin go back to the downside, actually the $60,000 area is going to be really crucial support. At the moment it was working as a resistance, $60,000 area, now is working as a support for Bitcoin. After that I'm expecting a bounce to the upside. Even on the 4-hour time frame, if I show you, if I go back on the 4-hour time frame and show the RSI to you, it looks like we have got the bullish divergence on the RSI on the 4-hour time frame as well. As you can see, the previous low we had about this area, but what do we have in here? About this area Bitcoin is making higher low, but about this area RSI is making a lower low, and I'm expecting I'm expecting Bitcoin to bounce about this area and move back to the upside, because we have got the bullish divergence on the 4-hour time frame for Bitcoin. As you can see that the volume was too high about this area, and because of the volume I'm not expecting Bitcoin to go below this zone area. I'm expecting on the daily time frame Bitcoin to make a bounce to the upside one more time. I'm going to show you the Ethereum chart I have got in here as well. I'm going to analyze the Ethereum chart, but before I go to the Ethereum chart, please take a second of your time and press the like button and subscribe to our channel if you are new to our channel as well. If I go on the 4-hour time frame, I told you according to this run we had on the Ethereum chart, I'm expecting Ethereum to make another run about a 30% to the upside to about a $2,538. As you can see, Ethereum made a new all-time high to about a $2,545 just yesterday. I'm going to show you the other Ethereum chart I have got in here on the daily time frame. According to this one, I told you anytime Ethereum can pass $2,250, which is about this trend line with the white color we have got in here, and this yellow line, which is the 161% of the Fibonacci retracement. If Ethereum can pass that one, I told you I'm expecting this one to work as a support for Ethereum, and after that make another leg to the upside. And as you can see, Ethereum is making another a correction like Bitcoin to the downside, and after that I'm expecting to make a bounce to the upside one more time to about the 2,700 or even $3,000 for Ethereum. According to this one, I told you, according to this run we had to the upside, I'm expecting Ethereum to reach to about the $3,000 area in the next few days or weeks. That was all from me for today. I hope you guys enjoyed that one. If you have found the video helpful, please leave a like, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much, guys, and see you in the next one.